Understanding Pump Design, a guide to industrial engineering terms. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic in industrial engineering, pump design. This phrase might sound straightforward, but it has a deep meaning in the field of engineering. Whether you're an English language learner interested in engineering terms or just curious about industrial designs, this video will provide you with a clear understanding of what pump design means. Before we dive into pump design, let's first understand what a pump is. A pump is a device used to move fluids, such as liquids or gases, from one place to another. They are essential in many industries for a variety of applications, from water supply to chemical processing. Now, let's talk about pump design. This refers to the process of planning and creating a pump. The design includes several factors. Type of pump. There are different types, like centrifugal or positive displacement pumps. Materials used. Pumps can be made from metals, plastics, or ceramics, depending on their use. Size and shape. The design must consider where the pump will be used and what it will be moving. Efficiency. A well-designed pump should use energy effectively. Pump design is crucial in industries. A good design ensures efficiency, reducing energy consumption; durability, longer lifespan of the pump; safety, minimizing the risk of accidents; cost-effectiveness, reducing operational costs. The field of pump design is always evolving. Recent innovations include eco-friendly materials for sustainable engineering, advanced technology, like AI for predictive maintenance, improved efficiency through better engineering practices. Understanding pump design is essential for anyone interested in industrial engineering or related fields. It's not just about creating a pump but about making it efficient, safe, and cost-effective. We hope this video has helped clarify the term pump design for you. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insightful content.